Okay, so one of the big questions that people ask all the time is, what is the process for cleaning the floor right after you pull up the carpet, but before you install the new? So there's a lot of different components to that answer, so I'll start from the top. First thing is, yes, we will pull up the carpet and the pad and haul it off on the day of installation, not prior typically, unless there's a special request made for that. If there is a special request, sometimes depending on the distance from the warehouse, there is a small additional charge for that because we're coming out on a whole separate day. However, we will pull up the carpet, we will pull up the pad, and we will sweep the floor really, really well before we put down the new, of course. If you guys would like to go ahead and disinfect and mop the floor prior, you're welcome to do that. As long as it doesn't take too much time, maybe 10 minutes or so, that's not a problem. We'll go ahead and wait for you so you can get that done. In some cases, people have rental properties or homes that they've purchased where the prior owner or prior tenant actually had pets, and there's a lot of urine that has saturated the subfloor as well as the carpet and pad. But since the carpet and pad are going to be hauled off, that's not an issue. But what's remaining is a lot of urine and bacteria on that subfloor. So in those instances, yes, we can go ahead and bleach the floor and we can go ahead and seal it. We typically use something called Kilz, and it's an oil-based sealer. Not a water-based, but definitely an oil-based sealer. The water-based we find is really ineffective, but the oil-based will completely seal it. But a lot of times people try to seal without bleaching, and really that doesn't do a whole lot of justice to the floor at all. It doesn't really help. So we suggest that either you hire us to bleach it and seal it, or you bleach it prior to us coming out and go ahead and seal it as well. It takes about a couple hours to dry. If you keep the temperature somewhere between like 65 and 70 degrees, it takes a couple hours to dry. The cleaning process involved with installing the new carpet after the carpet's installed is pretty simple also. We'll give the carpet a light vacuuming to be able to inspect the installation, to make sure that the seams are holding together really well, to make sure that the carpet's tucked around the edges really, really well and holding up against transitions like tile, hardwood, laminate flooring, that sort of thing. We want to make sure that it's really tight, and as we're running the vacuum, we want to make sure that that carpet's not falling off the tack strips, pulling up off the tack strips, that sort of thing. So it'll be your responsibility to give it the final finish vacuuming, because we'll give it a really good vacuuming, but you'll have to give it the final finish.